So just before we get started, 10web.io, this is an AI-driven platform that's designed to revolutionize the process of creating, hosting, and managing WordPress websites. As well as that, you could also create an AI website from scratch. Now, this is just generating it and making it. So just before we get started, what exactly is 10web? So 10web.io. Firstly, it's an AI-driven platform, and it's designed to revolutionize the process of creating, hosting, and managing WordPress websites. Now, by leveraging artificial intelligence and offering an integrated suite of tools, 10web.io provides an all-in-one solution that caters to both beginners as well as experienced web developers. So before we jump into the actual platform itself, we'll go ahead and take a look at some of the key features. So it does have an AI website builder, so you can generate your website here from scratch. It's got that AI-powered automation. So at the heart of 10web.io, it is an AI website builder, which can automatically create a WordPress site based on a simple description or URL. Now, this feature drastically reduces the time and effort needed to set up a site from scratch. It is also a very user-friendly customization type website builder. So as well as this, you've got post generation. So the AI can be easily customized using a drag and drop interface. So if you guys have played about with, let's just say, Wix or Squarespace, kind of similar to what 10web is offering. So this allows users to modify layouts as well as add and edit content and adjust design elements without any coding knowledge. As well as this, you do have responsive design. So the AI ensures that the websites it generates are fully responsive, and that means that they look great and function well on all devices, from desktops as well as mobile phones. Another key feature is the fact that it is managed WordPress hosting. So that means high performance. 10web.io offers high performance managing WordPress hosting that ensures fast loading times and reliable uptime. Now, this is crucial for maintaining visitor engagement and improving search engine rankings. You do have a scalability as well. So the hosting service is designed to scale with your business, and that is providing the resources needed to handle increased traffic without compromising performance. It also has robust security, so advanced security measures, including malware scanning and removal, DDoS protection, also has automated backups, safeguard your site against potential threats. So a lot of really cool features for 10web itself. Now, number 3 would be the fact that it has automated website management. So automatic backups, daily automated backups ensure that your website data is always safe and can be quickly restored in case of any issues. So you've got seamless updates. So the platform automatically updates WordPress core themes and plugins, and that ensures your site remains secure and up to date with the latest features. It also has site monitoring, so 24/7 monitoring of your website, which helps detect and resolve issues promptly. That maintains site performance as well as security. Now, it is packed full of different features, and we will just go through it together. Firstly, what I want to take a look at, of course, is what it is going to be the AI website builder. We'll just go through the entire platform itself, and yes, we'll go ahead and jump onto the website itself. So here we have it. This is the 10web.io AI website builder. Now, you can see here it is packed full of different features, and some of them we will go through. Now, you've got SEO, performance optimization, you've got Elementor integration, e-commerce capabilities. So it's got WooCommerce. Since it's got WordPress, it's going to have WooCommerce integration as well as e-commerce optimization as well. You're going to have a lot of things like marketing and analytic tools as well. And the most important part is you're going to also have 24/7 customer support. Now, before we fully jump into generating this website, I'm just going to go ahead and list out the additional benefits of 10web. So number 1 is that it is time efficient, or you've got time efficiency. So the AI-driven setup and automated management tools significantly reduce the time required to launch and maintain a website. That allows you to focus on your business. As well as this, you do have cost-effective solution. So by bundling hosting, you've got website building and management tools in the one platform. 10web.io can be more economical than purchasing these services separately. So you might find that if you're going for another platform, you're having to pay for let's just say Cloudflare or Flywheel, and then you're going to have to pay for an actual website builder, and then you may have to look for domain names. Everything is all in one. You can see here, you've got the AI website builder, you've got the e-commerce, you've also got WordPress if you want to do manage WordPress hosting, WordPress AI builder, so on. So you've got quite a lot here. And on top of that, you do have domains as well. So pretty much completely up to yourself if you want to use 10Web to find a domain name. My suggestion, if you have everything here, you may as well just go for it. But yes, on top of that as well, everything is customizable and extensible. So the platform supports a wide range of plugins and extensions. And again, since it is WordPress, it's going to have that capability to accept the plugins, and that allows you to add functionality as your business grows and your needs evolve. On top of this as well, community support, which is really good, or community and support. So being a part of the WordPress ecosystem, that means that it is able to access a large community of developers and users who can provide additional support and resources. So use cases would be towards anyone who is starting off small. So for small businesses, that's ideal for small business owners who need a professional online presence. Now, that is without needing any sort of extensive technical knowledge. It is very simple, very easy. As I mentioned before, it's just a website builder. So you'll not have to worry about doing any code or anything like that unless it does get complex. It's good for, I would say, freelancers and agencies. So anyone who is a web developer or a designer or even a marketing agency looking for scalable and efficient way to manage multiple client websites, this would be the platform for you. You've also got e-commerce entrepreneurs, if whoever wants to use this 10Web platform. So you've got all the necessary tools there anyway to set up and run an online store efficiently. But yeah, overall, now that we've run through basically like an overview of what 10Web is, we'll jump into it. So you got two options here. You can go ahead and just log in or sign in, or just click the black button of generate your website. So we'll go ahead and do that first. So it will take a little minute for this to just fully load. Okay, so now you've got a couple of options here, as I mentioned. So you either have the website with AI, or you also have the convert a non-WordPress site to WordPress with AI, or you can migrate WordPress site to 10Web hosting. So a couple of different options here, especially if you are choosing to migrate. Perfect. Proceed with this one. Pretty much just drag and drop your file or export your file onto 10Web hosting, and there you go. You're now using 10Web as a hosting platform. Recreating, so convert a non-WordPress site to a WordPress site with AI. So that's inserting a URL to create its layout with AI. Pretty cool. And the other one, which we're going to take a look at, is generating with AI, which is creating a new website with AI. So we'll just proceed with this one. So it'll ask you whether you want to create an informational website or if you want to create a website with an online store. We're just going to go for a brochure site, keep it nice and simple. So we'll go ahead and select next. So business type, perfect. There's digital agency. We'll just go for it. Go ahead and click next. Just going to go ahead and name the company ProfileTree and describe our company name or our company. I'll go ahead and just add a let's see, we'll go ahead and just add a description here, so bear with me. So let's see. Okay, so I've went ahead and copied and pasted what we have, and I'm just gonna do that. Perfect. Okay, so that is that. Do you own a domain name for your website? Okay, currently we'll just say not at the minute. We'll just say ProfileTree. Tree.io. We'll just say .io. Okay, we'll click next. So it might ask us here, okay, this is our step 3. So firstly, one of our services is web design, content marketing, and SEO strategy. Seems about right. That's what we do. And all you need to do is go ahead and select generate. So it will ask you to go ahead and sign up with Google or just enter your email. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'll just skip right ahead. Okay, perfect. So it's went ahead and sent us through, as you can see. So we've actually got a couple of different websites already on here. So what we're going to need to do now is just go back to where we're going to create that website again. Okay, just get this sorted. Okay, so essentially just went ahead and skipped ahead there. So all it is when you're structuring the website, you'll go through 4 steps, and basically it's just going to ask you like what way you want to structure that website, and that'll be the AI sort of part. And once you are pretty much complete, this is pretty much the final result, which I'll show you now. So this is the range of different websites that we have then, these are all the WordPress websites. I'll actually go ahead and just showcase one of them now. So I'll just visit this website. We'll take a look at this one. So there's one there, which is esports.ie or .xyz. And it just goes to show that what you could do with 10web.io. So these are all pretty much WordPress access only as well, which is another thing to it. So if you just select the WordPress dashboard, you can pretty much just take a look and see. It will have the WordPress layout. You can pretty much add your plugins. You can see there on your left side there, you'll see 10web cache, and then you'll have like rank math SEO. You've got different plugins. We used all-in-one WP migration in order to get this website through here. And yeah, that's what makes 10web pretty good, is that yes, it does have an AI website builder, and you can create one from scratch, as you can see. So create a website, use AI templates or themes, and then you can migrate your website, host and optimize on 10web. And yes, that is pretty much how good 10web is. So now that we've seen a small preview of how you can go ahead and generate your website or use the WordPress area, we'll go ahead and take a look at some of the AI tools on this. So you do have AI e-commerce, as you can see, and it's pretty much got all the different features you can see there for each section that you're going to be creating. Like we seen earlier on when I said that we're going to build a ProfileTree website from scratch using the AI, and then I was able to just copy and paste some font on there. You can generate it with AI if need be. So that's what we call the AI writing assistant as well, which is really cool. So if you are struggling, you could use this instead of just using ChatGPT or Claude or Copilot. So you can use this instead. Now you'll be able to fix SEO readability errors in Yoast, as well as SEO optimized content with AI. And you can also rank higher with SEO optimized content, which is pretty cool. And as well as this, you could even have a business name generator. So this is even better as well. So digital marketing agency, and you can go ahead and generate that, as you can see. We'll wait for this to fully go through. There's a couple of options there. You can see there's Boostify, ClickSpark, Pixel Vibe, AdWave, Brand Pulse, Market, Views, and so on. So a lot of pretty cool names that you can use on this, and it is just giving you more of an idea. So 10web, it's an all-rounder tool. I would highly recommend it if you want to migrate your website to become a WordPress website, or just migrate your WordPress site to the 10web.io platform. But guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. Hopefully you found it somewhat helpful. If you did, let us know in the comments section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.